now. So we get very manual, okay? As an evolving species, we get very manual. Huge advantage to that. Now what are we going to do when we're not using our hands with all this brain power? Imagery, language. So the two things are attached. And so therefore, if you can action your hands, you start to action higher levels of language and imagery. Mm-hmm. You start to paint the pictures with your hands. You'll start to paint the pictures with your words. And yes, I know language and hand movement can be independent. I know that, but they are not independent in our evolution, and they are not independent in our brain. They are connected. And that's why I go, let's get that body moving, first of all, especially these hands, in order for your brain to get confident about eliciting higher level language skills, so that your speaking is not mundane, right, and flat, that it is full of rhythm and texture and repetition and imagery, and you're confident about the rhythm and repetition and imagery and metaphor. You get confident about that because you're confident with your body. Yes, there are many people out there who go, you want to start with the words, go for it, go for your life. I wish you luck. Okay, there's an easier way. There's a way easier way. And that's get the body moving, and the confidence with higher language will come.